Hey guys, in this video we're gonna be checking out the top 5 best track saws for your woodworking project that are available on the market for their true quality. I made this list based in my personal opinion and hours of research and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you want to see more information in the updated price, you can check out the description below and also make sure subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5, we have the DEWALT DCS520ST1 Cordless Track Saw Kit. Now time for a cordless track saw. A cordless saw can give you a lot of benefits. The most important one is portability. You can carry it anywhere you want and use it any way you like. You have full freedom in how you manage it. This free moving capability ensures a great feature for you. It is something you cannot do or will find difficult to do in a wired saw. This saw allows you to cut from any side. That is, you can reverse the cutting direction as per your necessities. It is really helpful during making complex cuts. The DEWALT track saw is powered by a 20 volts battery that comes along with its charger. You do not have to buy anything separately. All its necessary components come in a set nicely packed in a sturdy stack box. This box is very useful for storing and carrying everything together. A highlighting feature of this saw is its cleaning facility. It has a universal dust port of 1.25 inches to assist in vacuuming all the sawdust. Your working space will always remain holistically clean when you use it. It can ensure a 90% efficiency of cleaning. Moving on at number 4, we have the Makita SP6000J1 Plunge Circular Saw Kit. Great performance is ensured with a great motor. If you want smooth chip-free cuts, you need a saw like this one from Makita. Its 12 amp can ensure superior power to make successful cuts in each attempt. Its highly powerful motor is capable of delivering variable speeds. This helps the saw in attaining versatility for making cuts in different materials. It includes a handy dial right beside its handle to give you quick access for adjusting speed as per your requirements. You get a speeding range of 2000 RPM to 5000 RPM. The Makita track saw has a beveling capacity to assist you in making bevel cuts. You can make long bevel cuts accurately with the help of the track. The best part, this saw has a unique anti-tipping feature for more secured cuts. This will keep your saw on the track even if it's bent to a wide angle. This corded track saw can make bevel cuts, miter cuts, rip cuts, crosscuts, and plunge cuts. You get to choose your own depth and make your desired cut. This depth range is wide to make deeper penetrations. Besides this, the saw has a special feature for helping you make score cuts. You can use this to make delicate. You can make all your necessary cuts with comfort. Its handles are overmolded with rubber to provide a better grip. Firm grip ensures maximum control of the tool and thus you can manage it any way you like. At number 3, we have the Wen Connecticut 1272 Cut Circular Track Saw. Even if you are on a tight budget, you can get yourself a great track saw. This Wen track saw is one of such high-quality ensured saw that offers high performance but comes at a very affordable price. Hardly you can find a competition coming near its capabilities. The first thing that you can notice on this Wen track saw is its colorful adjustment settings. The settings are very distinctive from its main body. They can be easily traced and used. A simple wingnut facility is used in this for keeping it simple to use. You can adjust the measurements on the go for having the right cut you want. One cool feature of this affordable track saw is its blade tuning setting. It has a single dial for providing 3 different options. The first 2 are for adjusting the depth of the cut. You are going to make a score cut or a deep cut, you can choose from this simple dial. And the third option is for blade changing. You get all the 3 options in one place and close by the hand to select the option fast. Depth is a significant issue for a plunge saw. It needs to penetrate to a certain depth inside the material for making successful cuts. For different projects, you need different depths. It is better to have a higher penetration capability for getting a wide range. And this cheap track saw ensures just the thing you require. It can go as deep as 2.33 inches inside the material you are cutting without causing any splinter or chipping. You get the right cut in every attempt. At number 2, we have the Kreg ACS 2000 Adaptive Cutting System Saw. Big projects require versatility both in cuts and material. It's better to buy a single saw like this one from Kreg than to buy multiple saws doing one work at a time. This special saw is one versatile saw that allows you to make different types of cuts on different materials. And all this is possible for its variable speeding feature. It lets you choose your required speed needed to specific cut on a particular material. No matter what cut you are making, you get the best results out of it. No chipping or splintering. Even the kickback effect it may cause for reverse movement is restricted by its effective anti-kickback feature. You will be able to move only forward while using the saw on the trail having this feature activated. Its dust collecting system is on another level. The saw comes along with a cool dust collecting bag. It's small in size, just like the size of a small water bottle, but very effective in its work. When you connect it to the dust port, it collects all the sawdust in it while working. It is really effective in keeping the workspace clean. Clean the sawdust is important for keeping the cut line clear and visible. This helps in making precise cuts. Another important aspect of making precise cuts is the proper measurements. Many saws include the scaling indicators but hard to understand the markings. But this saw is different from them. It has visibly bright markings to help you make accurate measurements for accurate cuts. And finally at number 1, we have the Festool 575387 Plunge Cut Track Saw. Safety is a must for every cutting tool. They are manufactured ensuring all kinds of safety for you. This saw from Festool is no different. It includes a really effective plunge lock system. The saw is threatening when the blade starts revolving. That's why this saw gives you the control to start the saw when you are ready. You need to manually unlock it to let the blade plunge and work. For making all the cuts precisely, the Festool track saw includes scaling indicators. They help in making accurate measurements and make the cutting process easy. But the best part is, this saw gives you not one but two measurement scales for depth adjustment while working on or off the track. It is a unique feature that you can hardly find in others. This helps you in both cases for working on or out of the track. The track of this saw is highly functional with so many sophisticated features. One of them is the groove bottom to accept guide clamps. This helps in holding the track tightly to your working table when you are working on something big. Blade changing is a super easy function for this saw. An Allen wrench is included in it, strategically placed inside the handle. You can get it whenever you are changing the blade without having to search the whole workshop for the right match. That's how simple it is to work with this saw. Thanks you for watching guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video is helpful to you, please make sure like, comment and subscribe. If you have any question related to this product you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.